Today's video is about 6 books to solve your problems. Book 1, The Power of Now. A Guide to Spiritual Enlightenment. Writer, Eckhart Tolle. Book 2, The Psychology of Money. Writer, Morgan Housel. Book 3, The Laws of Human Nature. Writer, Robert Greene. Book 4, Indistractable. How to Control Your Attention and Choose Your Life. Writer, Nir Eyal with Yusli Lee. Book 5, Untethered Soul. The Journey Beyond Yourself. Writer, Michael A. Singer. Book 6, Think Smarter. Critical Thinking to Improve Problem Solving and Decision-Making Skills. Writer, Michael Callett. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.